Okay, guys, I'm here. So let's get this animation running. Okay. If you can hear me, let me know. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Okay. Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, let's go do this, guys. Okay, let's go do this. Welcome. Welcome, Rose. Rose Ehujuo. Thanks for the thumbs up and welcome. 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 So we're not gonna spend too much time tonight. And in this video, I will show you what to do to customize your own subscribe button video. You don't have to go out there, uh, keep on downloading. You can customize that to your liking. Okay. So, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's go for that. Here is my PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. And to start with, I will have to go get a blank slide. Okay. So I will have to click on this and hit delete on my keyboard to get rid of that one. And then I will go for home. Then from there, I will go for new slide up here. I will click on that and go for blank. And we're good to go. So I can work with this background, or I can just go ahead and change it by going for a right click and then go for format background. That will take me here. Okay. I will go for gradient fill. I've already done this here, so let me delete all this. I can give it, let me see, different colors. Then I can choose under linear. I can go for the direction, how I want that to. So I can go for this. And then let me put another one and then give it a black one. I'm gonna kind of adjust this. So any color, you can just give it any color. But for now, let's go for the main business. Okay. So right here under home, we can go for any shape here, any rectangular shape. But preferably we can go for this rectangle rounded corners. It depends on you. It depends on how you want that to look. So I will click on that and then draw that rectangle. And I will go ahead. You can see the yellow dots here. I will click and then drag it inside to reshape that, as you can see. Then I can decrease that. Okay. So we are good to go. So now I can go ahead and give this shape a color by going for shape fill, or I can use this style here, any of the styles, but preferably I can go for this black one and then give it an outline shape. So I can give it white It depends on you. It depends on your choice. You can redesign yours differently. So after that, I will click on this again and go for home text box and start typing subscribe. Yeah. Then I will double click on the subscribe and give it a bold font, and equally I can increase that font by clicking on this is for plus and this is minus, or you can just go do it here, but it's better I do it here to know the size I actually need. That is it. We're good to go. So right now what we have to do is to duplicate this. Don't click inside, just click outside. Click on the shape itself, not within. Okay, on the shape. And then on your keyboard, go for a Control D, the Control key and letter D together simultaneously. Control key and letter D to duplicate that. So I can click and drag that away. And this one should be subscribed. Okay. So right now, what we can do is to give this particular one a different shape color. So when you click on that, go to shape format and go for shape fill. So I can give it something like this. Okay. Welcome, Jenny Onyinye Chuku. Welcome. 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 So here is the first part. Okay. Then here is the second part. When you look at the current design we have on YouTube, you can see that the subscribe button is it has a black color right now, as you can see. So you can give it any color. I can just click on that, not inside, just outside on the edge of the shape, and then go for format shape and give it another color. We can go for red if that is preferable. So we can go for that red. So right now, I will place this on top of this. But let's assume that this is, I will do something that, so let's assume that this is under. For example, what you can do is to just click on it to select it, then go for home, then arrange and go for send, bring to front. Then we are good to go. Drag it and keep it on top. So that is what we have. So the second thing we can do right now is to go for other icons. So I will go for insert and then go for icons. Right here, I will go for a bell. Okay. Let's wait for it. If you can hear me, let me know. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Just if you can hear me, go ahead and type yes. So right now, we go for the search bar. Okay, thank you. We go for the search bar and go look for a bell. Bell. So we can take this bell and then go for insert. Here we go. We have our bell. Let's go for two more icons. I will go for insert. Welcome, Lucy. Welcome. So I will go for insert and then go for icons once again. And here I will go for a mouse pointer. Mouse pointer. Or just with that only mouse you can get it. So I will click on this, then go for insert. So you can see we have it here. So let's go for the final icon for this. I will go for insert once more and then navigate to icons and let's go get a thumbs up. So only thumb will be fine. And then let's get this. And then let's go for insert. Okay. I have a new mic that is sensitive to background noise. I have not done that yet. I have not fixed that yet, but I will do that soon. So right now we have this. Okay, I will reshape it. Click on this and reshape it. Okay, click on this and reshape it. So right now, let's go ahead and duplicate this bell by going for a control letter and control key and letter D on our keyboard. That will give us a duplicate of that. So I have it and I will go for the same thumbs up. So let's go duplicate this as well. The control key on my keyboard and the letter D, then I will take it up. So right now we have to recolor this, just one of the bells. I will go ahead and click on that bell, then go for graphics fill, or you can go for home and then shape fill. Let me give it a different color. This one is good. Okay. The same thing is applicable to the thumbs up. We have to give this another color. I will go for shape fill. If you don't see it, remember, just go for home, then shape fill. I will go give it, I think this one is better. Then I will go change this one as well. I think this one is better. Okay, so we are good to go. We have everything we need now. Let's go and start the animation. Okay, so this should be here and this should be on top. Remember, if you have it under, for example, you have to go for a right click and then go for bring to front, or you can just click and go for arrange and then bring to front. So now let me take it and place it on top of this. The same thing is applicable to this. So we can go click on this and take it on top. So we are good to go. If you like, we can do this differently. Let's just finish with this. We can do it differently. Okay. So here, but mana Lucy, nkịta etu isi mee Kobe today. Kobe nọ just nọrọ jụụ ka nkịta a na-control si were pụọ or just nọdụ jụụ. Lucy. Okay. So I want to move both of them together. You know, I can't just move both of them together, as you can see. But if I want to move both of them together, I will just click and then highlight both of them. Then I can take it now and move it. So, but just let's have it somewhere here and here. Let me just highlight and take it a bit for these two. I will go ahead and highlight that and take both of them somewhere here. This, we can leave it here. Let me go and see if I can turn it. Just click on this upper part and turn it. So we're good to go. So right now, let's go for the animation. Easy, simple, straightforward. You can do this. You can go to Microsoft PowerPoint and customize your own. Just come up with ideas, how you want yours to look. because I can create, let's say, thousands of these differently. So if you want to customize yours, this is a good way to do that. So right now I will go click on the mouse. Okay. Now we go to animation up here. Okay. Animations. Don't use these ones up here because there is a problem. Sometimes, not most of the time, if you use one for an object, you can use more by going for this part. Only one animation for an object if you go for this part. So the best place to go is to go for the add animation. So just click, the drop down will take you to somewhere here. Then you have to scroll down and go for motion parts. Okay, motion parts. Let's click on that line, these lines, and then you can see that it went down. We don't want that effect. We want an upward movement. So you go for effect options here and then go for up. As you can see, we're good to go. So let's play this. To play this, just go for animation pen up here. Click on that animation pen and then let's click outside and then let's play. You can see. So, but we have to adjust this to go to the particular point we want that to stop. So place your mouse on the head, the arrowhead up here, and click. Once this appears, just click and drag it to your desired position. So let's go play this once again. Play. We're good to go. I can still go ahead and click on that and then click when the two-headed arrow appears, then you click and drag it to your desired position. So here we are good to go. Yep. Sometimes you might see this arrow when you are doing this. Let me right click, send to back. Sometimes if you see something like this, a movement like this, what you have to do is to click on that, right click and bring to front. So now let's see it. Yep, we're good to go. So once we get to this point, what we have to do is to activate a pause on this subscribe button. So let me go click on the subscribe button. Then let's go for animation. Okay. And then let's scroll down to pause. So what happens is that when the arrow gets to that subscribe button, you will see a pause movement. Yes, you can do your own, create your own. So I will have to go for pause, then click outside. I don't want any of these to be highlighted. Just click away and then go for play. You can see the pause. So right now, we could see the reflection of the one beneath. I don't want to see that reflection of the subscribed button beneath the subscribe one, but we will get to that. So once it gets to this subscribe button, that pause will be activated. Then we have to get a sound. There is a very good website. It is free for YouTube and any social media. There is no copyright. It is written on the website as well. A lot of sounds, beautiful sounds. Okay. So you can go there and get, I will show you that later, but I have downloaded some sounds already for this video. So what I can do is that when the arrow gets to this subscribe button and the pause activated, so we want to get a sound, a click sound. Okay, so I will click on that subscribe button to have it selected. Then I will go for home and then go for, let's see, no, I will go for insert and then go for audio. Welcome, victory activities, welcome. Welcome. Thanks for coming. So I will go for audio, then audio on my PC. I will click on that. And that will take me to my file explorer where I have that saved. So let me look for, you will not be able to see that because I'm not going to share that part. Okay, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, so now I have, let me go for this right click sound. I will select it and then go for insert. So right now, let's go do this. I hope you could hear that sound. Okay, but we want that to start with previous so that the pulse, once that pulse activates, the sound will be activated equally at the same time. So that is what we want to do. When you click on any of them, let's go for animations. Then under start, you can see that this is on click. Go do it after. It should be after this mouse. After it travels from here to here, then the pulse will be activated and the sound will be activated simultaneously with that pulse. Okay, so here I will go for this and go for after previous. Then for this, because the previous is this arrow that goes from here, that is the after previous. Then for the sound must go simultaneously with the pause. So if I click on the sound and go for start, I will have to select with previous. That means with the pause. Okay, so let me go ahead and play this. Let's see what happens. Great. So one more thing here, you can decrease the duration from this mouse pointer to the subscribe button. So how to do that? Just click on that object and then go for duration. You can decrease that to 75 and that makes it faster to travel from here to here faster. So if you do that right now, you will see, yeah, faster. But if you don't want to do that, you can decrease or increase the duration and let's see what happens. Okay. So one more thing here. I don't want the subscribe the subscribe button under to reflect as the mouse pointer touches the subscribe button. I don't want to see the reflection of that beneath button, but let me see. Just have a look and see the reflection. You see? So let's remove that reflection. So what we want to do is immediately after the mouse pointer touches the upper subscribe button, I want that to disappear. Then after that, the under subscribed button will appear. So the red one will disappear and the gray one will appear. So that is what we're going to do now. So if you like, you can just bring it down. When you select, you know the one you are selecting. So I will select the red one so that it will disappear immediately the mouse pointer touches the red one. So I will click on the red one and go for add animation. Then I will go for disappear. But you can see, you can go for a lot of exit animations here. Like for me, the best way to do this when it comes to entrance and exit is to go for this parts. Okay. So let me go for exit. What this part does is that you can have a view of how it works before you get it accepted. So let's say you see this. Okay. but I want a simple one. It could be no, no, yeah. Let's go for this whip. Okay, the whip, and I will choose. Okay, so immediately this red one disappears, the gray one appears. So I will go ahead and click on the gray one, and then go for add animation. Then I can choose appear. It's okay, but this will definitely appear after the red one disappears. So I will click on that, because this, when you click on it, it shows the green animation. When you click on this red, you can see all animations applicable to that red one. So this is for the gray one. I want that to appear after the previous. This is the previous. So I will click on that rectangle, then go for on click. Then I will go select after previous. Okay, you can see immediately after this it will appear. So let's go try this and see. But this we have not done yet. This the red one should disappear with the sound and the pulse. Once that mouse pointer touches the red one with the pulse activating, then that red one will disappear. So what we can do is to go for that rectangle, let that disappear with previous. That means it will disappear with the sound, the pause, and that is it. So let's go try it and see what happens. I will put it back. Okay. And then I will go for, you see, we didn't see that reflection. That reflection we saw earlier, we didn't see that. So let's go do it once again. Subscribe. See? So after that, remember this audio, let me take it somewhere away. But each of them, I will tell you what to do later. There will be like 3 of them. So after this, subscribed, then this mouse will travel again from here to the bell. Okay, let's go animate that. We go ahead and click on that mouse, and then we go for add animation, scroll down to motion parts. We don't want it to go down, we want it to go the right hand side. So still highlighted, what we do is to go for the effect options, and then let's take it to the right side. Here we go. So what I can do here, let me show you. I will click on that arrowhead. Then once the 2-headed arrow appears, I will hold down my mouse, then take it to where I want that to go. So it will travel from here to here, but that is not what I'm going to do. But let's go and see. I will click and go for play. Okay. So right now, I think the fastest way is to take the base, the green part of this arrow, so that it will travel from here to here. From here to here and from here to here. Not from here to here, then down and from here to up. So we can take the base. We can take this arrow entirely. Take it out. I will take the base and keep it somewhere here. Okay, you can see that green base. Then I will take this, click on the head. When the arrow, double-headed arrow appears, I will left click, yeah. And then let's see, and then take it to the bell. Now let's try again and see what happens. Good. So, but I will take it further somewhere here, and let's try again. Okay. Okay. So what will happen is when it gets to the bell, we have to give it a pulse movement as well, and equally there will be a sound. So I will click on that bell, go to animation, add animation, and then choose pause. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I could see the pulse. So let me click on this and take it backward. Then I will click on the bell. Let's go get a sound. I will go for insert. First, click on the bell, go for insert. Then audio, audio on my PC. And let me go for a bell notification. Here we go. Click outside. Let's go run it and see. Good. So I can take this audio down here somewhere here. Then what will happen is this. This is for the mouse pointer, this particular one. It travels from here to here. Then we want the pulse to occur immediately after the mouse pointer. Okay, that means um we have to go for this. Both of them, the graphic 9, that is the pulse, and this is the sound. To select both of them, just click on one, hold down the shift key on your keyboard, and then click on the second one. Both of them selected. Then we go for animations, then animation pen. We can, let's go for the sound, the start. I mean, so start, we select after previous because we want them to happen immediately after the movement of the mouse from the subscribe button to the bell. So we go for after the previous. Let's see what happens. That is good. So, but what happens is this: when the bell rings, we want this upper one to disappear so that we can see the black one, showing that that has been uh, accomplished. The click has been accomplished. So let's go click on the bell again. We want that to disappear immediately. So I will click on that bell, go for add animation, and then go for disappear, the exit. It will disappear immediately after the bell. So I will go click on that and then go for after previous. I can go with previous, but there's one thing here we can do, but I don't want to do it. Just with previous, then I can increase the delay to 25, 0.25. Okay. So let's go do that and see what happens. So it disappeared. So we want the, after that, I want the black one to appear. Okay. I will click on that black one, then go for entrance. I will select appear. Then it will appear with previous. Immediately the disappearance of this one occurs, then it will appear. So that means I will go for, click on it and go for with previous. Then I will keep it back. And then let's play that. Good. So the last thing is to take this arrow once again to the thumbs up. Then I will click on the arrow, then go for add animation, scroll down to motion parts. I will take lines. But this time around, we want that to go left side. I will go for the effect options and go for, no, right side. I will go for the right line. I will click on that. I will take it. So let me see if I can take the base out. Then I will take the base so that the base will start from the bell after the bell. Okay. Okay. We go now. It will start from there. Then I will take the head. When I click on that, then the arrow, double-headed arrow will come out. I will left click and then drag it to my desired position. So I will go ahead and play that. So you can see the travel from here. I want that to start with the previous. Okay, let's go for with previous. So let's see once again. Yeah, no. You gotta hold up. Oh, go to bed. Okay, no problem. Gotta hold up. Only one water ga. Gotta hold up. No get teta. Makamwaya. Okay, no problem. I think I'm already done. So here I will go for this again. Click on that and let me take it further and play that again. I think it's too. So here will be okay. Good. So when it gets to the thumbs up, we have to activate the pulse and another click, another sound click. So I will go for that, click on that, go for add animation, and let's go for a pause. Then after that, we want the pause to, maybe I will do that later. I will go click on that again to get the sound. I will go for insert. Then audio on my PC, Kachifo. Oh. Then audio on my PC, I will go for left click the audio and go for insert. So I want this. I want the pause to occur. Where is the pause? This is entrance. No, this shouldn't be here. Okay, I know. Control D. Let me take it back. Control Z. Okay. I think this should be a pause, not even. Oh, I will go back. Let me go back. Yeah. Now I will take this one. Let's play it once again. This pause should happen after the arrow travels from here to here. So it should be after the previous. So I will go for that, go for animations, go for start after previous. I can go for with previous first, and then I can increase the delay to be somewhere here. So let's see. Okay, good. So let's go get a sound for the thumb. I will go for insert, go for audio, then audio on my PC. We have to go for a left click, for example, and then I want that to occur with the previous. The previous is the pause. So both of them will occur at the same time. So I will click on the sound, go for animations, then go for start. Let's go for with previous. Then let's see what happens. I will go play that. So immediately after that, after the sound, I want the upper thumb to disappear. Okay, I will go for add animation. Okay, so here I will go for add animation, and then I will go for exit. So disappear, and that will disappear with the pause and the sound. So I will click on that, then go for with previous. So here, what we do is to I will activate the black one by going for add animation, then appear. It will appear after, or let's say with the disappearance of the gray one. So I will go for that and then go for with previous. Then I will put it back. So play. Let's see. Good. So you can see that while playing, we still have this. So let's remove them. The audio. Just click on one, then hold down the shift key on your computer, then select the remaining two. This. Then go for playback, then go for hide during show, and that is it. So let's go do it. I will click outside so that I will play it. So that is it for this. We have, in my next live, I will show you different ways again on how to do this. Okay. I have my son is here trying to pursue me with snoring. let me go to bed. Okay, guys, thanks for coming, and God bless you all, and see you next time.